Guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a door handle. There's a Mercedes W220. So what you need, guys, is a flathead and is a 20 T-Tox 20, and then that guy should be able to come out. So first of all, guys, there's just a plastic cover. We have to pull it out.
Oh shit.
And then when you look like closely here to your right, you can see like a silver, a gold screw. So what you do, I'm going to use this gun, guys, to just pull this out. So I'm just positioning in that direction, just like almost not parallel but on the side, and then just like you just unbolt it from that lock. Okay, guys, once it comes all the way, you just pull the handle, and then just you pull the lock will be able to just come out freely. And then, guys, don't pull it with force because it has a connector. So what you do once this thing is out, you use the connector. There's a clip on the side, you just unclip it, and then that lock should be able to come out from its position. Yeah, this is the clip right here. You unclip it, and then this guy should be able to come out. Let me show you guys when it's out. So guys, I've pulled it out, so the clip goes right over there. And then to remove, guys, the handle, you just pull it from behind. Just pull it like with just a little bit force. The behind comes first, and then the front is the last part to come out. So when putting back, guys, you start with the front. You put it from the front just like this. You put it all the way like that, and then you bring behind, and then you lock it in, and then you can put back the lock, and then should be able to good to go. I hope this video helps you out, guys. See you next time.